All right, guys, it's Monday morning and welcome back to the channel. Just got our bikes kind of up and running and are going to go for a little ride this morning. We've already been out a couple of times, but we're going to try to work it into our new routine of getting bike rides in, you know, instead of pickleball in the morning. So yeah, got her all set up. We're just going to get ready to go for a ride. All right, so we're just getting back from our ride. It was just under 10 kilometers, about 45 minutes or so. Not a bad little ride. I can feel it on my toes today. I think my shoes are a little too tight. These are my court shoes for pickleball, but anyway, yeah, she was a good ride. Now comes the perspiration because we stopped.